Good morning, students. Let us solve the third question in exercise 9.1. Contractor plans to install two slides for the children to play in the park. For the children below the age of 5 years, she prefers to have a slide whose top is at a height of 1.5 meter and it is inclined at an angle of 30 degree to the ground. Whereas for elder children, she wants to have a steep slide of height at a height of 3 meter and inclined at an angle of 60 degree to the ground. What should be the length of slide on each case? So the first step is to convert the question to a diagram. So let us draw the ground and let's draw the place where the students will get up. The slide for the younger child will start at 1.5 meter and the slide for the elder children will start at 3 meters. So let's name it as AB and let the younger slide start at point C, touches the ground at point D, and the slide for the elder children, let it start with the point B and touches the ground at E. They have also given the younger slide will making an angle 30 degree and the slide for elder children is making 60 degree with the ground. They have also given the height of the slide for younger children is 1.5 meter and the height of the slide for the elder children is 3 meter. What we have to find the length of the slide, that means CD we have to find and BE we have to find, which is the length of the bigger slide for the elder children. Now let's consider triangle ADC. In that, angle DAC is 90 degree and angle ADC is 30 degree. We also know the height of AC, which is 1.5 meter. We have to find CD. For 30 degree, we know the opposite side and we have to find the hypotenuse. So let us write sine 30 equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side is 1.5 meter and the hypotenuse, let's keep it as it is, that is CD. And we know the value of sine 30 as 1 by 2. Now let's have from this expression, let's bring 2 to the right hand side and 2 to the left hand side and CD to the left hand side. That means 1.5 into 2 is 3 meter. Now let's consider other triangle ABE. In this, angle BAC is 90 degree and angle AEB is 60 degree. So here also we know the height AB as 3 meter. AB equal to 3 meter. Here also let's find sine 60 degree. Sine 60 is opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side we know the length as 3 meter and the hypotenuse, let's keep it as it is, which is BE, and the value of sine 60 we know it is root 3 by 2. So let's bring BE to the right hand side and 2 to the left hand side. So BE is equal to 3 into 2 divided by root 3. 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3. So root 3 can be cancelled and it can be written as root 3, which is equal to 2 root 3 meter. So let's write the answers as the length of slides are 3 meter. This is 3 meter and 2 root 3 meter. Let's mark in the diagram as well. The length of smaller slide is 3 meter and the length of bigger slide is 2 root 3 meter. These are the answer.